Hasidic life in general is very closed off to the outside world, very mysterious. On these tours, we welcome people from all around the world, no matter where they're from, race, religion. They're welcomed here in Crown Heights. We're going to give you a behind-the-scenes look at Hasidic life. We open closed doors deep inside the Hasidic neighborhood.
This is a private home. I'm very sorry. Do you have the wrong address? April Fools, come on in!
My mom made these cookies special for you.
Not only is this a cultural experience, but this is a very human experience. For a few short hours, we get to see beyond our differences, beyond our dress, beyond what will divide us, to focus on what will unite us. From God's perspective, He needs all His human beings, Jews, non-Jews, everyone to unite together as one big family. By welcoming people in and showing them my house and the house of worship and different places in the community, you really create this unique bond. You meet as strangers and you leave as friends.